beautiful beaches in the Algarve. White sand, turquoise ocean. This is Praia do Barril. But it's not just the Atlantic Ocean that makes this place special. There's also an anchor cemetery here, a mysterious monument to a bygone era. This place appeared in the 1960s when the local tuna fishing industry went into decline. Each of these anchors, there are more than 100 here, was used for tuna fishing. For thousands of years, tuna have migrated through the Strait of Gibraltar into the Mediterranean Sea. And here, off the coast of the Algarve, they were caught using huge nets anchored by these anchors. When the tuna population sharply declined, the fishermen left their anchors on the beach. Today it is an open-air museum. A narrow-gauge railway leads to the beach. In the past, fishermen used it to transport their catch, but now a tourist mini-train runs along it. It's a great opportunity not only to enjoy the views, but also to feel the spirit of history. While you're on the ocean shore under the sun, don't forget about your hair. Use special professional sun protection sprays or oils. Leave-in conditioners moisturize and protect against drying out. Argan oil and shea butter, which are natural filters, nourish and moisturize the hair, serving as a natural barrier against the sun. In addition, any headwear will not only protect your hair from fading and dehydration, but will also shield your scalp from sunburn, which means it will help prevent hair loss.